Good evening, Timmy Talkers. Another late one, I do apologise. Hope you're all well and enjoying this fine sunny evening. Well, it is down here in the Garden of England anyway. Tonight's Timmy Talk is all about honesty and hypocrisy. It's a bad one, serious one today. Now, the premise of this is everyone works with someone who's got, not everybody works with, but many work. You've worked with people in the past who've got a terrible, I don't know, body odour problem. Everyone laughs about it. Everyone regrets working with them. Everyone says something about them, but no one actually tells them there's an issue, so they don't know. What I want you to do is tell the person, be honest with them. It won't hurt them as much you telling them as it will thinking that everyone's talking about them, will it? That's a brave thing for you to do, but I bet it'll be appreciated as well. Likewise, honesty again. If someone is a larger person and they says, does it look like I've lost weight? But it doesn't, then say it doesn't, because that won't encourage them, will it? If someone's had their hair done and says, does this look nice, but it doesn't suit them, say it doesn't suit you, because they wouldn't be asking if they're already confident. Same as outfits. Does this outfit look nice? If it doesn't, just say no. It's a lot easier in the long run. I think if everyone was a bit more honest, there'd be a lot less hostility and problems. If you've got a problem with someone you work with, tell them. That's the best way to deal with it, isn't it? A little bit old-fashioned nowadays, but just tell the person you don't like whatever it is they've upset you for. As simple as that. They may change. They may not even notice there's a problem. They may very much be of an age where everything they say comes out a little bit hurtful nowadays. So let's just be honest with people, and that'd be the best way to move forward with the world. Don't go around just telling people they're fat, but just ask if they ask you if they look like they lost weight, or do you think I'm a little bit overweight? Just say yes, and everyone can deal with the issues then, can't they? That's the finest way. Likewise, if you're going out with someone and you're really not happy, tell them rather than just let it dribble on. If you're really not happy at work with your boss, tell them, and that'll be perhaps the best remedy. Don't let things fester. Don't let things burn away. Don't let things eat you up. Just in your own way, for the person you're working with and for your own health, let's just be honest with each other, shall we? And that is tonight's Timmy Talk. Probably not a very nice one, but I don't care. I'm a bit tired today. Didn't get very good sleep last night, so that's that. So tomorrow, hopefully, I'll have a good sleep tonight, and then we'll have another happier one tomorrow. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. 55 subscribers, well short of my 200,000. And in the view of my mood this evening, tonight's Timmy choice song is This Charming Man by the Smiths. Take care, Timmy Talkers. See you tomorrow in probably a better mood.